Hello friends, welcome back Java T Coding. My name is Sanjay Kumar and today I will cover popular topics for Java interview. Right, here is the list of the popular topics for Java interview for fresher and experience. So first one is the project technical architecture. Like if you are following the entire architecture, then you need to know what are the layers in your projects, right? Functional architecture, like what are the interface in your project that we need to know. Data flow, how the data goes in your project end to end, from and UI to backend. That flow you need to know first. And next one is the project explanation. So you need to know first proper explanation of that project. Whatever the project you are developing, like in domain wise, like banking domain, insurance domain, so that you need to know the proper explanation, right? And next is the role and responsibility. So what are the roles and responsibility in your project? And the next is the daily task on an assignment. What are the things on the daily basis you are doing? That also you need to know before go to the interview. Authentication and authorization. If you are developing the web application, then you need to know the authentication and authorization, how you integrate in your project. Core Java. Many questions interviewer will ask from the core Java. I will tell you what are the topics from the core Java that you need to cover. Java new features. So you also need to know what are the new features came into the Java, like Java version 5, 7, 8. So mostly interviewer will ask the question from Java 8. Hibernate framework. If you are using in your project framework like Hibernate or Spring Boot, so also you need to know how you have integrated the framework, Hibernate framework, Spring MVC, Model View Controller or Spring Boot in your project. I will cover what are the topics that you need to know from the Hibernate or Spring Boot or Spring MVC, right? And the next is the design pattern. Also you need to know the design pattern, creation design pattern, structural design pattern, behavior design pattern. Next is the Agile methodology, SDLC, software development life cycle. If you are using this SDLC, then you need to know the SDLC, or if you are using the Agile, following the Agile, so you need to know the Agile. Also you need to know the next is the JUnit test case. If you are writing the Java code, for that you need to know how to write the JUnit test case for that particular piece of code, right? Asset property, transaction related, so these properties you should know. Solid principle. If you are developing the Java in the proper standard, then you should follow the solid principle. Next is the SOAP, web service. If you are using in your application integration layer, you are using the web services, so you should know the, if you are integrate in your project SOAP, then you need to know the SOAP, web service, WSDL, XSD. And if you are using the REST, then you should know the REST API. And next is the SVN or Git. These are the repository. You need to know. This is the build tool, how your application is getting built. So you need to know the, either you are building the your project using the Ant or Maven. If you are building your project using the Maven, then you need to know how your application is getting built and deploy on the server, right? And the next is the Oracle database. So if you are using the Oracle database or MySQL database, then you need to know what are the constraints, what are the joins you have written in your project, function and procedure, how the procedure you get called from the Java, what are the cursors you have written for that project, joins, how your complex things you resolve using the joins, right? That scenario you need to know, right? These are the popular topics. In the next video I will tell you from the core Java what are the major topics that you need to know, right? Thank you, thanks for watching. Please like and comment.